the pillar Economics and Finance. Several key performance indicators have been developed for the pillar Economics and Finance as well. However, due to time constraints, let's focus our attention just on one of these key performance indicators. More in details summary report. By clicking on the bottom, the software opens up a new window. In this window, the software summarizes the main budget performance for each selected period. In this context, 2020. The bar chart on the top left shows for each quarter the performance of effective revenues in blue compared to the planned ones in green. In addition, the percentage and the absolute variation of effective revenues compared to the previous year is also shown, so compared to 2019. The same analysis is also proposed for costs in the graph on top right. As can be seen, there is a negative target gap both for revenues and costs. Effective revenues, more in details, were about 2 percentage points lower than the planned ones, while the costs were about 0.5 percentage points higher than the planned ones. Let's focus our attention on the bottom left of the windows. This graph shows the performance of cost and the revenues and their ratio over the last 3 years. By showing through a line graph the revenue performance in green, a violet line graph the performance of costs, and a gray bar chart for each quarter, the ratio revenues to costs. Finally, let's focus on the key performance indicator on the bottom right, which show the main indexes of balance sheet rigidity. The financial autonomy is the first index of balance sheet rigidity, and it shows the ratio of our revenues to current revenues. The fiscal dependence shows the ratio of tax revenues to current revenues, and the structural rigidity shows the ratio of personal expenses to current revenues. For each index, it is also shown the relative percentage in change compared to the same period of the previous year and compared to the previous quarter, in this case the third quarter of 2020.